Give you my baby.
Okay, ma'am, please don't address her. Please do not address her. That's a different matter. That has nothing to do with this court.
Yes,
We're
ma'am.
just here
Thank you.
specifically for the money. Ma'am, I'm not gonna touch Ms. Hollins. You brought this case before the court. What's going on?
Yes, ma'am. My sister-in-law, I've had her child for 7 years, and
7 years.
Yes, she was incarcerated for about 3 of those years,
Okay.
along with my brother, the daddy of the child.
All right, buckle up, because this case is one of those situations where family drama and financial responsibility collide. What we're about to see is an aunt who has stepped up for her niece for 7 years, while the child's mother is only now being called to answer for her responsibilities.
And she's turned her life around, and she's working, but I'm not receiving any child support, and I'm not asking for 7 years worth of child support. But Stevie is 9 years old, and she needs dresses and stuff, and she's at that age that she needs more things and stuff.
Okay.
And I need help.
You can already feel the heartbreak here. Miss Holland isn't even asking for back pay. She just wants help moving forward. That says a lot about her character. This isn't about revenge or punishment. It's about making sure Stevie has what she needs.
So
What is your plan in terms of financial support? Did you have any plans to give any financial support?
well, first off, I have 3 daughters, including Stevie, and yes,
Okay,
Stevie
congratulations.
Well, okay, but Stevie is my pride and my joy, and I understand that she wants her dresses, and she wants her nails painted, and she wants her hair made. But there's just certain things you just can't get in life. You can't get everything that you want. Well, you shouldn't get everything that you want.
Food, clothes.
Yeah, the necessities,
I feed
ma'am.
her
What do you,
now then.
ma'am, excuse me. I need you to address me.
Sorry.
You do not need to address her. Okay?
Okay.
So you do understand why you're here today, correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so tell me why you're here.
I'm here because she wants more money.
She wants more money or she wants some money? Because it's my
Greedy. I
understanding
think she
you...
wants more.
No, ma'am. It's not greed to take care of your child. You understand it, right?
Notice how the mother tries to minimize things, saying kids can't have everything. But child support isn't about luxury. It's about the basics: food, clothes, and healthcare. That little girl deserves stability, not excuses.
So she's not able to get any money from him, so...
And she's
Winner,
the
winner,
reason
chicken
he's
dinner.
in jail.
Oh, she's the reason. Okay. Well,
That's
you know...
not true.
Yes,
Ma'am.
Bonnie and Clyde.
Oh, Bunny and Clyde. You know, I don't even want to get into that because those names do not have anything
Well, I can
good
think of another name
attached to
begins with
them.
B, but it's not Bonnie.
Ma'am,
Yes,
listen.
ma'am.
You're here today because you're going to pay her some child support. I do not care about your Bunny and Clyde rendezvous you had beforehand, okay? We're here today for the support of Stevie, all right?
That Bonnie and Clyde excuse, the judge shut it down immediately, and rightfully so. Whatever drama or choices happened in the past, the only thing that matters in this courtroom is Stevie's well-being.
Would you explain that to me? What did
So
you do?
I am a roller derby queen.
Okay, so let's talk about that, Queen. What throne do you sit on?
So it's this amazing sport. Everybody should be able to do it at least one time in their life.
Okay,
And
and you're paid money to do it, correct?
well, yes.
Okay, how much are you paid to do this?
Well, about $48,000 a year,
Okay, $48,000 a year
right?
as a roller derby queen,
Yes, ma'am.
and you have not been paying child support for your...
And then we get this twist. She calls herself a roller derby queen, making $48,000 a year. That's a respectable income. But the fact that none of it has gone toward her daughter, that's where the frustration really hits.
All right, so let's talk about your money that you're going to be paying, okay? Is that your only source of income?
Yes.
Okay, so $48,000, I have your gross at $4,000, which your net is $3,349.88, okay?
Can you round that down to like 69 cents?
Can you get a job that pays less? Because it's based on a calculation. I don't have anything to do with that.
Oh.
You make $48,000 a year, your net is based on that $4,000 amount gross. after taking out taxes. You understand that, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, who covers health insurance?
I do.
Okay, how much is health insurance?
$120 a month.
Is that for the child only, or is that including?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so what I'm going to have to do, I'm going to have you reimburse that to her, okay? Yes, ma'am, you looking really confused right now, and I have no idea why you are, because as a part of your child support obligation, you have to cover health insurance.
But Stevie don't really get very sick.
Whether she gets sick or not, that has nothing to do with health insurance. You understand how health insurance work, right? Are they teaching you that in school?
This part is so telling when she says they don't really get sick. That's not how health insurance works. It's not optional. It's part of being a responsible parent. The judge's patience here is incredible.
You add $120, that brings your child support obligation to $706.23.
Kick in the bucket, that's a lot.
Well, and I gave you, guess what? I gave you credit for the other children that you have as well. Okay, so $706.23. Any questions?
Do you accept Monopoly money?
You know, no, she does not accept Monopoly money. You cannot deposit it into an actual bank.
Yes, Judge. Is there any way I can keep her
Yes,
from...
you're accepting Monopoly money?
No.
Oh, okay.
I'm saying, yes, Judge, is there any way she can keep her away from Stevie? You see this kind of person she is?
$706 a month. Honestly, for someone making nearly 50Ks a year, that's not outrageous. It's a fair calculation. And the fact that the judge even factored in her other kids shows the system isn't trying to be unfair. It's just about balance.
You know, I don't think that's a good influence for Stevie.
Well, you know, that's not a matter before me. That's not something that I necessarily deal with.
Stevie is my baby.
Okay, ma'am, please don't address her. Please do not address her. That's a different matter. That has nothing to do with this court.
Yes,
We're
ma'am.
just here
Thank you.
specifically for the money. Ma'am, I'm not gonna touch that situation at all, okay? Anything concerning your daughter and keeping her away from you, that has nothing to do with me, okay? Okay? If nothing further, you all are dismissed.
Thank you, ma'am.
You're welcome.
Your Honor.
This is the sad part. Instead of focusing on supporting her child, she tries to argue about custody and influence. But that wasn't the case before the court today. Sometimes people use deflection when they don't want to face their own responsibilities.
Honor. I hope you fall off them roller skates.
That's not nice.
That closing jab from the aunt, it's raw, it's human, and honestly, you can't even blame her. 7 years of sacrifice, and only now the child's mother is stepping up. This case is a reminder that child support isn't about punishing parents. It's about making sure kids like Stevie have a chance at a stable, supported childhood.